Hi guys, this is Monica. Welcome back to my channel. So I know like 2025 is about to end and it feels like the year went in a snip and the year wasn't very great for me. मतलब either it was too good or too bad. ऐसा ठीक ठाक कुछ था ही नहीं मेरे लाइफ में लास्ट ईयर. That is what I feel. So yeah, leaving all of those things apart, we'll start with our video that is empties of 2025. And are those products worth it? Will I be buying it in 2026 or no? The first product that I can see over here is the Santives body lotion. So this was a very mediocre body lotion, I would say, very lightweight, hydrating but not that hydrating for dry skin people. So if you are not having very dry skin and summers के time के लिए कुछ चाहिए, then this might be it, but personally I wouldn't repurchase it. Another body lotion that I love is this Dr. Sheth's Tea Tree and Lactic Acid body lotion. This has 10% lactic acid and 1% salicylic acid, and I love this body lotion. This is lightweight yet extremely nourishing and hydrating. It will keep you hydrated until the next shower. So it's very nice, it's very hydrating yet exfoliating. It will take care of your KP, strawberry legs, and even ingrown hair. So I use this on my legs and it's amazing. I will definitely repurchase this in the next year. And my another favorite is this Earth Rhythms sunscreen, that is matte mineral sunscreen. You can see I have completely cut open this and used. I already have two backups of this. This is basically for oily skin people. I don't think dry skin वालों को उतना अच्छा लगेगा या नहीं, but I'm not sure about dry skin. But from normal to oily and acne prone people will love this because it has extremely matte finish. It will keep your skin mattified and control your oil production throughout the day. So that is what I love about this. Next is this Strixka hair serum in the variant Vita Rich Gloss. So this is very lightweight, extremely nourishing hair serum, I would say, because मैंने बाकी के hair serums use किए हैं, which if you use on dry hair और थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा यूज़ कर लोगे तो it might look oily on your hair. But this, even if you go a little overboard or if you even use it on your dry hair, it will not look oily. I am already using another bottle, so it's going to last me for another 3-4 months probably. So I love it. So my next empty is this Dot and Kiss Vitamin C moisturizer. So this moisturizer is so lightweight, so hydrating, and the vitamin C in it is in a very good quantity to an extent where you can see results. बहुत सारे मॉइस्चराइजर्स में विटामिन सी या नायासिनामाइड लिख तो देते हैं, बट उनका क्वांटिटी बहुत कम होता है टू एक्सटेंट वेयर दे डोंट शो इनफ रिजल्ट्स. माई मम हैज फ्रेकल्स ऑन हर फेस एंड उसको बहुत सारा डार्क सर्कल है, बट विथ कंसिस्टेंट यूजेज ऑफ दिस उसके फ्रेकल्स और डार्क सर्कल्स में हमने मेजर चेंजेस देखा है. सो इवन शी यूजेस दिस, आई यूज दिस, आई लव दिस फॉर माई बैकने. Not back knee, the pigmentation that is on my back because of back knee. So उस पे भी मैंने यूज़ किया एंड इट शोज अमेजिंग रिजल्ट्स. एंड अभी तो मेरे पास नहीं है, बट डेफिनेटली आई विल बी repurchasing this. So my next attempt is this Earth Rhythms shampoo bar, and this was surprisingly extremely good. मैंने नहीं सोचा था कि shampoo bars will be that good in cleansing your scalp. मतलब lather होगा या नहीं, और नहीं तो बहुत जल्दी गल जाएगा because it is a bar. तो अगर वो गीला हो जाएगा तो बहुत जल्दी melt हो जाएगा, ऐसे मेरे thoughts थे. But this proved me wrong in everything because this doesn't melt down very quickly. It is quite long lasting. It will nicely clean your scalp, like works like any other shampoo, but keeping the point कि this is like very natural. ऐसा इसमें ज़्यादा chemicals वगैरह नहीं है. So it is in the variant Shikakai Rita Avla and Curry Leaf. I'm loving this. I'll definitely be repurchasing this, as well as I'll try the other variants that they have. Next moisturizer empty that I have over here is this underrated um, Glow and Acne Clear face moisturizer. This has alpha arbutin, niacinamide, salicylic acid, and vitamin E. Okay, this I feel is a very mediocre moisturizer because I personally have acne prone skin, and मैंने इसके साथ उतना मेजर कुछ डिफरेंस मैंने नोटिस नहीं किया है, एंड इट वाज अ वेरी so moisturizer. Definitely not repurchasing it. Next empty is this Wish Cares coconut oil. So it is a very basic coconut oil, nothing wow, but also very good. So अगर आप नॉर्मल कोकोनट ऑयल यूज़ करते हो, जो मार्केट में मिलता है, जस्ट ट्राई this kind of coconut oils, I would say, that is cold pressed and extra virgin. You will notice a difference in a way in the very first use, because आपके बाल बहुत स्मूथ हो जाता है. It also controls, मतलब if you are applying on your hair length also ना, you will start noticing very less split ends breakage when you use extra virgin oils. That is what I have noticed with this. Yeah, I will definitely repurchase this. I love it. The next product is this Parachutes aloe vera hair oil. So this is coconut oil infused with aloe vera. I didn't use this on my scalp because this has liquid paraffin in it, and I personally am not very comfortable applying liquid paraffin on my scalp. I use this only on my hair length. So considering मैंने ये हेयर लेंथ पे अप्लाई किया, दिस इज वन थिंग that helped my hair smooth out a lot post shower. So if you have very dry, frizzy, or coarse hair, I would say try this oil for your hair length, and you will find good amount of results. This will make your hair smooth, shiny and nice. पोस्ट चार आपको ये नोटिस होगा, because I have noticed it. This is my second bottle, and will I repurchase or not? I might. Another sunscreen empty is this Dot and Key's stick sunscreen. So I have completely used this. अंदर से पूरा निकाला है मैंने. That is how much I love this. And recently, just 1 or 2 weeks ago, मैंने और एक नया वाला मंगवाया, and I am using it. So I am sorted for 26, and this is very nice for your reapplication. Glides in very nicely. Doesn't make your face heavy, oily, or uncomfortable. Feels like nothing on your skin, literally. I love this. मतलब मैं जब भी बाहर रहती हूँ, ऑफिस जाती हूँ, I always reapply my sunscreen with this. Another hair oil empty is this 90-day miracle hair oil. About the claim of 90-day, I really don't know. ऑनेस्टली मैंने उतना कुछ मेजर नोटिस नहीं किया है. फ्रॉम लास्ट 1.5 year, आई एम फेसिंग extreme hair fall issues, and did this help? No. Does that mean it is a bad hair oil? No. It is really good hair oil. It is blended with so many amazing ingredients. I'll just pop all the ingredients here. So this has good ingredients, a really good hair oil, but it will not control your extreme hair fall. So will I repurchase this? um, no. But is it a good hair oil? Yes. The next thing that I emptied is this Chotu Dabba of Dot and Key's Watermelon Super Glow Matte Sunscreen. Sorry, moisturizer. It actually works great as a primer. So because it is heavily silicone based, as soon as you apply it ना, आपके पोर्स ब्लर हो जाता है, आपका स्किन टेक्सचर ब्लर हो जाता है. So it works amazing like a primer, but as a moisturizer, no. I will definitely not repurchase this, because ये बिल्कुल भी hydrating या moisturizing नहीं है. It just sits like a layer on your skin. Next empty is this Hip Hop's nail polish removing pads. These come in a pack of 30 wipes. So these are actually extremely good. These are soaked in the serum to remove your nail polish. If you're wearing something of this color or lighter than this, then एक पैड से आपके दोनों हाथ के एंड पैर के नेल पॉलिश आराम से निकल जाएंगे. बट इफ यू आर वेयरिंग समथिंग अ लिटिल डार्कर देन दिस, देन you might need one more pad. But for the amount that you're paying, it's like extremely good. I definitely have repurchased. I have it already, and I'll always have this. Next product empty is this Earth Rhythms cleansing balm. The amount that you're paying for this is insanely affordable, and this works so good. Emulsifies excellently, takes off your sunscreen, makeup, dirt, and everything, and washes off so clean. कोई oily residue नहीं बचता है, nothing. But the only con is this doesn't melt down into a very nice liquid oil, so it stays balmy throughout the process. ये इसे बहुत अच्छी तरह से लाइट वेट ऑयल में कन्वर्ट नहीं होता है, दैट इज द वन कॉन. बट doesn't matter to me, it works amazing. Will I repurchase? I already have purchased, so I have a backup of this already. Another cleansing balm empty is this Quench cleansing balm. Melts down into a very nice lightweight oil. This I feel is a very nice dupe for Face Shop's cleansing oil. तो स्मेल्स एग्जैक्टली लाइक इट, वर्क्स एग्जैक्टली लाइक इट, बहुत अच्छे तरह से मेल्ट होता है, टेक्स ऑफ योर सनस्क्रीन, मेकअप एंड एवरीथिंग, इमल्सिफाइज वेरी नाइसली, वॉशेस ऑफ वेरी नाइसली, कोई रेसिड्यू नहीं छूटता है, पूरा अच्छी तरीके से क्लीनली निकल जाता है व्हेन यू वॉश इट ऑफ. सो इट्स एक्चुअली रियली गुड. बट विल आई रीपर्चेज इट? Probably no, because ki the amount that I'm paying here, I am getting very less is what I feel. If I put in a little more money, मुझे इससे भी अच्छे अच्छे products मिल जाएंगे, या नहीं तो इससे भी कम में I have better options. Like the Earth Rhythm ones is really good. The only con is वो melt down नहीं होता है as a oil. But if I want something that melts down like a oil, then I have Deconstruct's cleansing oil. एंड टॉकिंग अबाउट डीकंस्ट्रक्ट क्लेंजिंग ऑयल, मैंने ये भी पूरा खत्म किया है, एक या दो खत्म किए मैंने प्रॉब्ली. दिस इज सच अ ट्रैवल फ्रेंडली पैकेजिंग, कम्स इन अ ट्यूब, and as soon as you warm it up in your hands, melts down into a very lightweight oil, cleanses of everything, takes off your sunscreen, makeup, emulsifies very nicely and washes away very clean. So मुझे लगता है कि I will not be repurchasing Quench cleansing balm. If I want something affordable, गिर गया, then I have Deconstruct, I have Earth Rhythm, so I might not repurchase the Quench one, but that is also extremely good. If you want to, if you want to try it out, that you can definitely, because it's actually good. Then another product that I've completely used, and this is my second bottle that I've recently started using, is this Tony Moly's Ceramide toner. So this is one product that I love because this is such a nice lightweight milky toner. It is milky, it is hydrating, extremely nourishing, strengthens your skin barrier, and preps it for your next step: serum, moisturizer, sunscreen, whatever it is. Me being an oily skin, I still love this. I love hydrating milky toner, so I love this, and this is probably my third bottle. ये मेरा 2026 के 6-7 महीने तक तो आराम से निकल जाएगा, सो आई एम सॉर्टेड. मैंने इसके साथ इसी सेम वेरिएंट का इमल्शन यूज किया है, द सेरामाइड इमल्शन फ्रॉम टोनी मोली. इट इज ऑल्सो एक्सट्रीमली गुड, एक्सट्रीमली लाइट वेट, हाइड्रेटिंग, नरिशिंग, मॉइस्चराइजिंग. बट इफ यू आर ड्राई स्किन पीपल, देन उसके ऊपर आपको मॉइस्चराइजर की जरूरत होगी. बट आई एम फ्रॉम ऑयली स्किन फैमिली, आई डिडंट नीड मॉइस्चराइजर ऑन टॉप ऑफ इट. मैंने उसको वैसे ही खत्म किया. आई लव्ड इट, I used it a lot. Will I repurchase it? I might repurchase it, but only during sales, because सेल के बिना वो थोड़ा सा एक्सपेंसिव हो जाता है. बट ड्यूरिंग सेल I will I will repurchase. So while talking about the emulsion or moisturizer, another moisturizer that I completely emptied is this Cosrx Snail Mucin moisturizer. And मैंने ये हाइप में आके लिया, मैंने ये एंड इसका स्नेल म्यूसिन सीरम मैंने दोनों लिया था. आई डेंट फाइंड इट दैट ग्रेट, मतलब फॉर द अमाउंट दैट यू पेइंग, इतना हाइप बनाया है इंटरनेट पे, एंड I honestly didn't feel it's that great. It didn't do any wonders for my skin, because as soon as the serum and ये खत्म हो गया, I didn't feel like I was missing on something. Like जब मेरा सेरामाइड टोनर खत्म होता है ना टोनी मोली का, ऐसा मुझे फील होता है कि आई हैव मिसिंग ऑन समथिंग, आई हैव बीन मिसिंग ऑन समथिंग, आई नीड इट. माई स्किन फील्स ड्राई, पाच्ड, इट स्क्रीम्स फॉर दैट नरिशमेंट. बट इसके साथ आई डेंट फील एनीथिंग एंड सच. एंड द मॉइस्चराइज़र आई वुड से ऐसा मुझे फ़ील होता था कि इट सिट्स ऑन टॉप ऑफ माय स्किन, इट डज़न्ट पेनिट्रेट, इट डज़न्ट नरिश, ऐसे अंदर से हाइड्रेटेड नरिश नहीं करता, इट जस्ट सिट्स ऑन टॉप इज़ व्हाट आई फेल्ट. So I'm definitely not repurchasing either the serum or this moisturizer from the Snail Mucin range of Cosrx. Okay, another cleansing oil that I want to talk is this Conscious Chemist cleansing oil. So you can see it's almost full because मैंने इसका एक पूरा completely खत्म कर दिया है because I loved it so much. बहुत मतलब उतना लाइट वेट नहीं था व्हेन कंपेयर टू डीकंस्ट्रक्ट और क्वेंच और फेस शॉप्स क्लेंजिंग ऑयल, उतना लाइट वेट नहीं है. दिस इज अ लिटिल थिक व्हेन कंपेयर टू देम, विस्कोसिटी है इसमें थोड़ा सा ज्यादा, बट it did clean off very nicely, cleansed my sunscreen, makeup, everything emulsified pretty good, cleansed off pretty good. उतना thoroughly नहीं, when compared to quench or deconstruct और earth rhythm उतना अच्छे से emulsify तो नहीं हुआ है, but it did its job pretty nicely. तो इसीलिए मैंने उसको और एक repurchase कर दिया. I don't know product I received was not from the good batch because this was my second bottle. मैंने इतना यूज करने का ट्राई किया, doesn't emulsify at all, doesn't emulsify at all, doesn't wash off at all. इसके ऊपर मुझे 2-3 बार फेस वॉश लगाना पड़ता है टू टेक ऑफ दैट ऑयली रेसिड्यू. सो ये अभी ऐसे ही पड़ा है फ्रॉम पास्ट फ्यू मंथ्स, तो आई डोंट नो व्हाट टू डू विद दिस. And there is only one hair mask that I have completely used and emptied in 2025 is this Schwarzkopf's hair spa. इतना बड़ा टब, obviously it took a long time for me to empty it. Texture इसका बहुत lightweight and अच्छा है. It spreads on your hair very nicely. Is not extremely thick कि आपको मशक्कत करनी पड़ेगी to apply it on your hair. No, it spreads very nicely. Deeply nourishing and hydrating. So as told, this year I haven't faced any split end ka problem. My touchwood, my hair is doing extremely good, no split ends, extremely smooth, nice. So it has helped me prevent my split ends and everything. So it's actually really good. For the amount you're paying, you're getting a huge tub which will last you a lifetime, I feel. So you should definitely try this. And will I repurchase? Yes. Next product empty that I want to talk about is this retinol body lotion from the brand Chemist at Play. So this was a really nice बॉडी लोशन. यू कैन सी दिस इज अ रीपर्चेज. अभी रिसेंटली मैंने नायका पिंक सेल में इसको परचेज किया एंड फ्रॉम लास्ट 1 वीक आई एम यूजिंग दिस. सो आई हैव इट फॉर माई 2026 डेफिनेटली बिकॉज मैंने इसका एक ट्यूब कम्प्लीटली यूज किया इन द स्टार्टिंग ऑफ दिस ईयर and I loved it so much. I use this on my back knee. So when I was using this, I saw amazing results with my back knee. My back knee got reduced, the pigmentation was reduced, and I was extremely happy with the results. But once ये ट्यूब खत्म हो गया, I don't know why मैंने repurchase नहीं किया है. बुद्धू में I didn't repurchase it, but I was extremely missing it. मतलब मुझे पता नहीं चल रहा था what should I do with my back knee. So I got this again and again I'm using this and I'm loving this. So this was a lesson for me कि जब कुछ अच्छा work कर रहा है then you should just stay consistent with it. Don't experiment a lot. So I'm sticking by this. So there are few more empties that I have emptied up, but मेरे पास उसके bottles नहीं है. So I want to talk about it. So first one is this Dot and Key's blue color ceramide sunscreen. So it is extremely lightweight. It is extremely hydrating, nourishing, supports your skin barrier because it has ceramides and blueberries. How is it? It's very lightweight, blends into your skin within seconds, like literally seconds में blend हो जाएगा. Gives you a very nice hydrated dewy finish. So will I repurchase? Maybe or may not. I am not very sure because I come from extremely oily skin family. So sunscreens that are very hydrating or dewy finish वाले मुझे personally उतने अच्छे नहीं लगते हैं. If you are someone from dry to normal skin, you should definitely try it. And another empty from Dot and Key is their underarm roll on. So I have used 2 bottles of it completely, third मेरे स्टैक में पड़ा हुआ है. So how is it? It's extremely good. Did I love it? I loved it. And will I repurchase it? I already have repurchased it. It exfoliates your underarm, controls the odor, but it doesn't control the sweat, but it controls the odor and exfoliates, because of which it even brightens up your underarm. But the trick is not to use it every day because it has exfoliants. This I use it 3 to 4 times in a week, but not more than that. So yeah, these are all the products that I have used in the 2025 that I can remember of or have the empties of. बाकी चीजें भी होंगे शायद that I don't remember. So if you like the video, then please click on the like button. So if you like watching videos related to skincare, makeup, lifestyle, then please consider subscribing to my channel and hitting that like button. So yeah, see you in the next video. Bye bye.